you find a difference between like the Kannada industry and the Telugu industry?
I don't know. I think Kannada industry and Telugu industry don't have much difference because you go there and it's a small community. It's like community which is in film industry. So basically, everyone in the industry know the next person in the industry. Nobody else
Yeah.
And even when you come here, you just know the people in the industry and related to the industry. Nobody else So the working ways might be different, but everything else is the same. Or maybe I find working ways different because of the language. You never know, but yeah.
Can you tell me what exactly Chalo is about? A small gist, or like what is the basic story?
I think this is a story about the hero going, like a journey of the hero wanting to study somewhere away from home and coming to a town which he does not have a knowledge of, which is divided into Telugu and Tamil, like these two states, and he kind of like tries to figure out what all of this is. And in the college he meets this girl, and this girl, she is just to herself, and something in her this hero likes, this Hari likes, and he goes after her, and the journey of those two going together and what all they face. I think this is like, see, in all the films this is how everything is. There's no up and down or whatever, but I think it's one of those films, but the difference is how the performance of each of the people here who's worked in this team is different. So you have like other rom-coms, and you have Chalo rom-com. So what is the difference between these two is, I think the performance of this is a different character, performance of this is a different character. So minute differences like that, but it all depends on if we entertain people, because this is an entertaining field. So if we entertain people, then it's a good thing for us.
You said you didn't think of acting, so you've never gone to an acting school.
Oh no.
Did you do any homework to get into acting?
No.
So it just came out like that.
I swear, I don't even know how, because in my school I used to go for like all these school kids have annual days, investiture ceremony and all of that. So that time I used to be taken for dance, like Bharatanatyam dance and all. I used to be taken all the time. So there was this one time they took me for skit, like play and all of that, and they told me to act. I could not act for nuts. Okay, I could not act, and they're like, she can't act. We should forget Rashmika for acting. And after that, I've always got in my mind that I cannot act. So till before Kirik Party, I had never acted. So after that, somehow I don't. If I knew acting back then probably I couldn't have got this original thing out. Maybe because I don't know how to act. I just tend to be natural. Like if I'm talking to you like this, I'll probably do the same thing if there's like a cinema set put. So yeah, I think that's why. Please subscribe to iDream.